What time do you wake up?
At 7 o'clock.
Do you use an alarm?
Yes, I do.
Do you wake up easily?
No, it is hard for me.
Do you get up immediately?
No, I stay in bed for 5 minutes.
What do you do first?
I go to the bathroom.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, every morning.
Is the water hot or cold?
It is warm.
How long is your shower?
About 10 minutes.
Do you wash your hair every day?
No, every 2 days.
What shampoo do you use?
I use herbal shampoo.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, twice a day.
What toothpaste do you use?
I use mint toothpaste.
Do you use mouthwash?
Yes, I do.
Do you comb your hair?
Yes, after my shower.
Do you use a hairdryer?
Yes, every morning.
What makeup do you use?
Foundation, mascara, and lipstick.
How long does it take?
About 10 minutes.
Do you use face cream?
Yes, every day.
Do you wear perfume?
Yes, I do.
Where are your clothes?
In the wardrobe.
What do you wear today?
A white blouse and black trousers.
What do you wear today?
A white blouse and black trousers.
Do you like dresses?
Yes, I love dresses.
What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Do you wear jewelry?
Yes, earrings and a ring.
What shoes do you wear?
Black shoes with small heels.
Do you wear a watch?
Yes, always.
Where is your handbag?
On the chair.
What is in your handbag?
My phone, wallet, and keys.
Do you check the mirror?
Yes, before I leave.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every day.
What time is breakfast?
At 7:30.
Where do you eat?
In the kitchen.
What do you eat?
Toast and yogurt.
What do you drink?
Tea with milk.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Tea.
Do you eat alone?
No, with my husband.
Do you eat alone? About 15 minutes. Do you read the news at breakfast?
Yes, on my phone.
Do you wash the dishes after?
No, my husband does.
What time do you leave home?
At 8:30.
Do you lock the door?
Yes, always.
Where are your keys?
In my handbag.
Do you take an umbrella?
Only when it rains.
Do you say goodbye to your husband?
Yes, I kiss him goodbye.
How do you get to work?
By bus.
Is the bus stop far?
No, 2 minutes away.
How long do you wait?
About 5 minutes.
Is the bus crowded?
Yes, very crowded.
Do you sit or stand?
I usually stand.
How long is the journey?
30 minutes.
What do you do on the bus?
I listen to music.
What time do you arrive at work?
At 9 o'clock.
Is your office far from home?
About 6 kilometers.
Do you ever walk to work?
No, it is too far.
What is your job?
I am a secretary.
Do you like your job?
Yes, very much.
Where is your desk?
Near the window.
Do you work on a computer?
Yes, all day.
How many emails do you get?
About 50 a day.
Do you answer the phone?
Yes, often.
Do you have meetings?
Yes, sometimes.
Is your boss nice?
Yes, she is very kind.
Do you work with many people?
Yes, about 10 colleagues.
Do you drink coffee at work?
Yes, 2 cups a day.
What time is your lunch break?
At 1 o'clock.
How long is it?
1 hour.
Where do you eat lunch?
In the cafeteria.
What do you eat?
Salad and soup.
Do you eat with colleagues?
Yes, with 2 friends.
Do you bring food from home?
Sometimes.
Do you go outside at lunch?
Yes, for a short walk.
Do you check your phone at lunch?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink water at lunch?
Yes, always.
Do you rest after eating?
A little bit.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I finish my tasks.
Are you tired in the afternoon?
A little tired.
Do you drink tea in the afternoon?
Yes, at 4 o'clock.
Do you have meetings in the afternoon?
Sometimes.
What time do you finish work?
At 6 o'clock. How do you go home? By bus.
Is the bus crowded?
Yes, in the evening too.
What do you do on the bus? I read a book.